Gabby or someone like this one, Chainsaw Man. I think we are at the PG or R-rated area now. What are these? Don't like. Cuddly, I can get you this. Lulu the piggy. You want the keychain? I'll get you something from here, okay? Lulu the piggy. It is you. See? Just like you. How about this one, Fugly? But you cannot bring it with you. Let's look for something else, okay? Lots and lots of whatever these are, Manong Udol. We found it. Of course, it's at the end. I think it's the most popular one. We're lining up. But the line is this long. It's like rows and columns of people. I don't think it's worth it, no. It's 3 o'clock and it's only until it will close at 6 p.m. Don't like na. We're leaving. That is the line, Manong. Look at how much people there are. How many people there are. Next time na lang, ha? We're gonna look for the manga. For the mango, okay?